This is the story about a boy who wanted to become a very big person so that he should be all the time happy. Because as many people told him, if you have good enough of money, if you have big houses, if you have very big cars, then obviously happiness will be there. So from his childhood days, he started studying very hard, and he became the topper of the class. Slowly, what happened? He got whatever he wanted to have in his life: big house, so many cars, good family, and all. But then also, somewhere he was feeling missing with the happiness. Then also he was doing many things to have more things in his life, but so far he was missing with that peace and the happiness. And he was all the time thinking that people told me that I should have very good enough of money, big houses, cars, good family, everything I have. Then what is missing in my life? He was all the time thinking. So one day when he entered to his office, he found his security guard. He was very happy, smiling, and he started observing that man for the 1 week. And every day he was finding that that man was very happy. He used to eat lunch very nicely without having anyone around him. He used to come on time. So everything he was doing. So one day when he was going back to the home, he thought, let me to ask him the secret about that. Why, how come he's so happy? Although he's not having so many things in his life. Then he went, he said, okay, dear, I wanted to ask you one question. The security guard felt very happy because his boss has come and asked. He said, yes, sir, please ask me, how come I help you? Then he said, how come you are so happy although you don't have so many things around you? Then he smiled and he said, "Ki, who said you I don't have anything around me? I have so many things, and God has given so many things. I'm unable to understand how come I can preserve all these things." And he was surprised. What do you have? Can I see? And then why are you working here as a security guard? Then he said, okay sir, you come, I will show you. So after he packed everything and he went, he took this man to a place where all the people were there, like old age people and often kids and all. So they all were sitting there. So whatever since morning he has earned, he purchased the foods and all he had with them, and all the people were waiting eagerly for this security guard also when he will come actually. So all the old age people, actually if you will go to the any old age people to see old age people, you will understand that how they will be waiting, the people should come, should meet. So what happened, all these people were sitting and waiting for this person to come. They showered his love. Then even to this man also, they hugged, they kissed, and they have shared so many good things to him. So this man was surprisingly seeing everything. When he used to go to his home, might be his kids used to be busy, his parents also must be busy, and sometimes his own like wife also is busy. Everyone is busy, but this bonding is missing there. But here, when he went to this orphanage and even to the old age home, he found that people are sharing the love, and whoever is coming, they are very glad. That time this man said that it doesn't mean that you should all the time think that if you have your own family, if you have money, if you have big cars and good enough of money, you are happy. Happiness means as much as you share to the world. What happens if you are sharing to the world, it's coming back to you, because service to the mankind is the service to the God. So this man was doing that. So here you all should ask one question to yourself: why are you not happy? Why are you not finding the God? Because somewhere this caring and sharing is missing. Go and meet those people who really needs you. Go and serve them whatever you have. If you have this much, give only a little amount to them. What will happen? Your happiness will be added. Because as people used to say, and the very good books also used to say, they say, where is the God? God is there in every individual. So care them who really thinking that who has to come and who has to meet me. Okay, so this is actually the lesson which I have given to you all, might be you all are aware of, but have the practice of this. Go to the places where the people are waiting for you. Share your love. Who really cares for the love? What will happen? Everything will multiple in your life, and automatically happiness will come. Okay, your genuine smile will come, and what will happen? Obviously the peace has to come in your life. So thank you so much. Be safe at home and share the love.